In this video, I will show you how you can send money from Revolut to PayPal. So in order to do this, you will need to go to the PayPal website. You cannot do it from within the app, at least from what I've seen. So just go to the PayPal website, either on desktop or on your phone, and go and sign into your account. Now from there, from the home screen, scroll down a bit until you see PayPal balance and click Transfer Money. Then here under Money In, there are two options. So you can click Add Money to your balance or instantly top up using Ideal. Now the easiest method is to click Instantly Top Up using Ideal. And if this is available for you, then I would recommend selecting this one, because from there you can then just select Revolut and then make the payment using Revolut. Now if that isn't an option for you, click on the other one that says Add Money to your balance. And what that will do is take you to this screen. So from here you can top up your PayPal balance using your bank account. So from here you will get some payment details. Now for you this may be different. Now you need to make sure that your Revolut account has the same name as your PayPal account. So if that's the case, from there on the Revolut, just click on Payments in the bottom and then click New in the top right and select a bank transfer, and then just enter these details right here. So the bank of the payee you usually don't have to do, but the IBAN, BIC and name of payee, just enter those. And then I recommend sending a small test payment first, and then when it shows up, go and send the rest of it to make sure that you receive it. And you can see it will typically take 1 to 2 business days depending on your bank. So that's how to send money from Revolut to PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.